In this video, I will show you how to reset your laptop display settings. So if you are having problems with your display, maybe the icons are appearing too big or it's just not showing up correctly, then follow along with me for how to reset your display settings. Now to start with, what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type settings and then open up settings underneath best match. Once your settings window has opened up, what you want to do is come over to the left hand side and click onto system, and in the system option you want to click onto display. From this next screen, what you want to do is come down to the scale and layout section, change the scale to the recommended setting. So if you click onto this drop down box, you're going to see one that says recommended. For myself, that's 125%, but for yourself, it could be different. Whatever one it is, so you want to choose the recommended setting. You also want to repeat this for your display resolution. So again, click onto the drop down box and select the recommended setting from here. After doing that, scroll down a bit on this page to the related settings, and you're going to see an option for advanced display. Give that a click and that's going to take you to a screen like this. And from here, you want to come down to the section down here where it says choose a refresh rate, click onto the drop down box and just select the highest number from here. For myself, that's 144 Hz. What you can also do after doing this is if you close down out of your settings and on your keyboard, you want to hold down the Windows logo key, Shift, Control and B. What's going to happen is your display is going to flash black and that's going to go ahead and refresh your graphics driver, which can also be a problem why your display settings might not be displaying correctly. So that is how to reset laptop display settings. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.